Welcome to this introduction on statistics. In a world increasingly driven by data, understanding the fundamentals of statistics is more important than ever. Whether you are a student, a professional, or just curious about how numbers shape our reality, this guide will walk you through the definition, history, and real-world applications of this essential science. So, what exactly is statistics? At its core, it is the branch of mathematics concerned with collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting, and presenting data. It is not just about crunching numbers. It is about making sense of complex information and using that information to make informed decisions based on evidence rather than intuition. Statistics is generally divided into two main branches: descriptive and inferential. Descriptive statistics summarizes and describes the main features of a dataset, telling us what happened in the past. Inferential statistics, on the other hand, uses a smaller sample of data to make predictions or generalizations about a larger population, essentially asking what might happen in the future. Let us look closer at descriptive statistics. This involves measures of central tendency like the mean, which is the average, the median, which is the middle value, and the mode, the most frequent value. It also includes visualizing data distributions, like the normal distribution curve shown here, to understand how data is spread out. Inferential statistics allows us to go beyond the immediate data. By studying a small sample, we can estimate parameters for a whole population. This includes hypothesis testing to validate claims and regression analysis to understand relationships between variables and predict trends, such as forecasting sales or weather patterns. The history of statistics spans thousands of years. It began in ancient civilizations like Babylon and Egypt for censuses. In the 17th century, John Grant founded the study of demographics. Later, mathematicians like Gauss and Laplace developed probability theory. Today, with the computer revolution, statistics has evolved into the powerful fields of data science and machine learning. Doing statistics involves a systematic process. First, we collect data through surveys or experiments. Second, we organize and clean that data. Third, we analyze it using mathematical methods to find patterns. Finally, we interpret the results to draw meaningful conclusions that can guide our actions. Statistics is used everywhere. In business, it helps optimize profits and manage risk. In medicine, it is vital for clinical trials and tracking diseases. Governments use it for economic planning and policy making. Even in sports, statistics is used to analyze player performance and develop winning strategies. Why should you learn statistics? It equips you with critical thinking skills and the ability to spot misinformation. It empowers you to make data-driven decisions in your personal and professional life. Moreover, it is the foundation of modern artificial intelligence, making data literacy a crucial skill for the future. In summary, statistics is the language of data. It provides the tools to understand the past, analyze the present, and predict the future. By mastering these concepts, you gain a clearer perspective on the world around you. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.